Hey guys, welcome to Snooker Premier League third episode.
We'll talk anything and everything about IPL here. Today we are going to talk about Delhi Capitals. What do you think about DC's batting and how much would you rate it out of 10?
So for Delhi Capital batting, I'll give them 8 points because they have very good top orders, but their middle order might collapse.
Okay. Myself, I'll give 9.5. I think they have a solid batting. They have KL Rahul, Stubbs, and Achar Patel contributes with the bat as well. What do you think about bowling?
So for bowling also, I'll give 8 points because they have only 5 bowlers. If they use the impact player as a batter, they don't have another bowler to put.
For bowling, I'll give 9. Again, they have a pretty good bowling lineup. I think even Achar Patel can contribute with the ball. There's Kuldeep Yadav as well. Who do you think the top 3 performers for Delhi will be?
So top 3 performance for Delhi Capital, Faf, Stubbs and then Kuldeep Yadav. And then they do have X Factor Abhishek Purul.
Okay, for me it will be KL Rahul obviously, and their Stubbs, and the third would be Achar Patel. Where do you think they'll be at the table?
8th position.
Eighth, eighth.
Yes.
I think Delhi will be the table toppers this season. I don't know what he's on about. Delhi will be the first at the end of the season. Thank you for watching. Where do you think DC will be on the table? Comment down below. Bye.
Wait. Guys, do you know you can get free tickets for the IPL matches that are running in your states? Go check our office page to know more. Bye.
Bye.